Every journey carries risk. At Simply Unified, we believe safety should never be left to chance. That's why we've developed a powerful, AI-driven dashcam system designed to protect what matters most: your people, your vehicles, and your business. Tailgating, distracted driving, speeding, lane drifting. These aren't just risky behaviors, they're preventable incidents. With Simply Unified's AI dashcams, these behaviors are detected instantly, coaching drivers in real time to prevent accidents before they happen. Our Safety Manager portal gives your team real-time access to AI-triggered risk events, HD footage, and synchronized telematics data, all from one secure, cloud-connected platform. Maintain compliance with accurate automated reporting. From regulatory audits to insurance claims, every detail is logged and ready. Turn every event into an opportunity. Visual-based coaching tools and driver scorecards empower your team to improve behind the wheel. For complex fleet operations, partial visibility isn't good enough. That's why we designed the Simply Unified VT265, a multi-channel AI dashcam built for total situational awareness. The VT265 supports up to 7 simultaneous video channels, including front, rear, side, cabin, and cargo views. With multiple TVI and USB camera inputs, this system delivers unmatched coverage of your vehicle and surroundings. Each camera delivers full HD 1080p resolution with wide-angle coverage, ensuring every critical detail is captured clearly, from license plates to lane markings. Built-in AI proactively detects risk: harsh braking, tailgating, speeding, lane drifting, and more. When unsafe behavior is identified, drivers are alerted instantly with in-cab voice prompts. A manual panic button allows drivers to trigger the secure event recording, capturing footage 30 seconds before and after an incident. Every frame is logged, timestamped, and backed up. The VT265 includes dual industrial-grade microSD, supporting up to 1 terabyte of onboard storage, ideal for high-volume video, extended trips, or operations with limited network access. The VT265, VT145, and the VT245 integrate seamlessly with Simply Unified's telematics Guru portal, providing fleet-wide visibility for your entire fleet of vehicles, assets, and dash cams. To get the most from your video telematics data, Simply Unified offers Simply Analytics, a powerful platform that transforms raw driver, trip, and camera data into actionable insights. Custom reporting for compliance and performance. Visual dashboards for stakeholders and operational teams. Use it to align safety initiatives, track policy compliance, or optimize training programs, making smarter decisions backed by real data. Smarter technology, safer drivers, stronger decisions. With Simply Unified AI dashcams, Safety Manager portal, and Simply Analytics, you don't just manage your fleet, you empower it. Simply Unified video telematics. Safety, visibility, control.